This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for flowcharts. Figma is an incredibly powerful design tool that also excels at creating clear and organized diagrams. We will cover the fundamental steps to get you started, from setting up your canvas to connecting different elements. You'll learn how to leverage its intuitive features to build professional-looking flowcharts efficiently, making your processes easy to understand for everyone involved. Let's dive in and master this essential skill. To begin, select the shape tools from the toolbar to create your flowchart elements. Rectangles often represent processes, while diamonds signify decision points. Next, use the line tool to draw connectors between your shapes, indicating the direction of your flow. Remember to add arrowheads for clarity. For perfect organization, employ Figma's Auto Layout feature. It automatically adjusts spacing and alignment, saving you valuable time and ensuring a polished look. For enhanced efficiency, transform frequently used shapes into components. This allows you to update all instances simultaneously, ensuring consistency across your entire flowchart. Explore Figma's community plugins. Many can automate repetitive tasks, like generating diagrams from text or importing data, significantly speeding up your workflow. Furthermore, define and apply text and color styles to maintain a uniform visual identity throughout your project, making it look professional and cohesive. Figma truly shines in its collaborative capabilities. Share your flowchart with colleagues to gather instant feedback and allow them to make edits directly, fostering a dynamic workflow. Once complete, export your diagram in several popular formats, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, perfect for presentations or documentation. Always utilize the version history feature. It provides a complete record of all changes, allowing you to revert to any previous state with ease, ensuring no work is ever lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.